Welcome. I'm Laurel Herman, Editorial Director for Prevue Meetings and Events. I'm here at IMEX in Las Vegas, and I'm really pleased to introduce our guest today, Darren Green, Chief Sales Officer for Los Angeles Visitors and Convention Bureau. So Darren, welcome, and it's good to see you again.
It's great to see you always, Laurel. Thank you for having me.
Sure. So tell us what's new in Los Angeles.
Well, there's so much that's new in Los Angeles, and it's so exciting. But I think one of the most exciting projects we have is our $15 billion renovation of the LAX airport. It's the largest public works renovation project in the country, and it's due to be completed by 2023.
Wow.
The beauty is LAX is the first impression you get when you land. It is also the last impression you get when you leave. So this airport, you'll be connected to other terminals, but also it will take you to an intermodal terminal that will connect you to the subway that can take you throughout the city of Los Angeles. So it also helps with alleviating some of the issues with traffic, which you might have heard in LA is from time to time a little bit of a challenge. So that's one of the more exciting projects that we have going on in the city.
Well, and I know you have some other great venues opening. Why don't you tell us about them?
Yeah, we just opened up the Academy of Motion Pictures, which is incredible. That
Can't wait.
museum is state of the art. It's really the first museum that's dedicated to film. So what better place to have than LA? Great outdoor spaces for meeting space, but you can do curated docent tours. Fanny's, the famous restaurant, is catered by Wolfgang Puck, and it's right next to LACMA. So, the LA County Museum of Arts is right next door to that. In addition, we had SoFi Stadium just opened, the home of the world champion, Super Bowl champion LA Rams. And soon we'll have the George Lucas Museum that will be opening up next to the Coliseum in LA and South Park. That will be incredible as well. So there's a lot going on in the city.
Darren, that's amazing. Speaking of amazing, I'm sure you have a lot of phenomenal experiences, innovative experiences, and experiential opportunities for groups. Can you tell us about a few?
Well, one of the unique experiences of LA is being able to do a program on a back lot. So whether it's Paramount, Universal, Fox, Warner Brothers, you can bring a group, have an experience, and remember the facades are already there. So they're already paid for. All you have to do is bring your guests so they can brag about being in a spot where they've seen a famous TV or motion picture, but it can only be done in LA.
And I am sure this is only one of many experiences. So we'll have to get some more information next time on Prevue Studio.
Awesome, thank you, and it's a pleasure to be here. Thank you so much.
Okay.